Okay, resolving overdefined sketches. All right, this one might cause a little bit of stress, but don't let it get you too much, okay? All right, so we're going to save the result of 2.9 as a new file. And we're going to work on that exercise. Okay, so that's been saved. I'm now going to come in here and then make a new one here called save as 2.10. That's what that looks like that's telling me, okay? First, we will create an overdefined warning. Now, warnings are going to stress some of you out, and you need to be extra careful to not get too stressed out about it. So we want to do this so that you can learn how to resolve these problems, because they will occur again and again and again and again as you're creating geometry. All right, I'm still reading in the iPad here. Let's just see. In the new file, delete the delete the Boss-Extrude by right-clicking and deleting, okay? Delete. Okay, now let's see what this says. Okay. Okay, getting a bunch of text messages here. Notice that the 3D feature is deleted, but the sketch remains. Well, I haven't deleted it yet, so I do want to delete that item. Okay, and my sketch is there in the tree, but I can't see it over here because I have all my visibility turned off. And one of the things in the visibility is the sketches. I think it's this one. Yeah, view sketches. Okay, so I could turn these off if I wanted to. Keep those off and keep my sketch visible. Okay, let's just see where we are here now. In the new file, delete it. Okay, blah, blah, blah. The only thing that remains is the sketch. Okay, edit the sketch by right-clicking on the sketch name in the design tree and finding the edit icon. Okay, we're getting good at this now. We know how to do this one. Okay. Also, look, I like to look at this normally, so I can go back in here even while I'm editing and look at the normal view, and that's helpful. Okay, let's see. Add a smart dimension angle between the left vertical line and the bottom horizontal line. Great, love this, okay? Grab this thing, okay, and I'm gonna grab this one, and I'm gonna click in the middle, and this would give me a 90-degree angle, as you can see it there, but it's also giving me an error now, which we see over to the side. Let's figure out if we can see what this is telling us to do. Okay, you'll see a dialog box warning you that the sketch is about to become overdefined. Get in the habit now of reading the dialog boxes. It will save you a lot of time. For this activity, choose to leave this dimension driving by picking the option in the SolidWorks. By picking the option SolidWorks is not recommending. Okay, leave this dimension driving. A driving dimension defines the shape, in case you're wondering what a driving dimension is. Okay, we'll hit OK. Okay, as you can see in the sketch below, or on the screen here, two of the lines changed colors. See, I got a yellow line and I got another yellow line over here. As did two of the relations, this relation and this relation. As shown in the color key, which is down here, these items define the same thing and have the potential to be in conflict. For example, if we were to change the 90-degree angle to 85, for example, the computer would get pretty freaked out. Wouldn't know what to do with that because it cannot keep it both horizontal and vertical and be 85 degrees at the same time. So another way to observe this conflict is to click the Display Delete Relations in the Command Manager. Okay, so let's see right here, Display Delete Relations. Okay, and I can see the ones that are in conflict are these yellow ones. Okay, remove or suppress superfluous relations. How do I do that? I can come in here and I can either delete this. I have to delete one of these, okay? Because they're causing a problem. We know that we had the problem when we added in the angle, so let's go ahead and delete that one. And I have highlighted it by making it blue, and I can just hit the delete button, and it goes away. Everything goes back to black, and there's a thing down here that says the sketch is no longer overdefined. Save the part. Wow, might feel stressful, but these are the kinds of things that are going to occur, so you have to know how to work through them. And this activity was designed to help you know how to work through them.